What's up, guys? We are so excited because starting this Friday, we're gonna get to start going camping again. Ontario is officially reopening in their phase 1 of the reopening plan. I don't really care about all the other details, just that we get to go camping.
Have not stopped hearing about it for like all week.
Now, because a lot of things are still off limits, it's no surprise that camping is skyrocketed in popularity, just like it did last year. It's still going on into this year. And we want to share a secret with you. And this secret is a way that we actually snag campsites, even when things look pretty booked up. So I'm here at my computer, and the secret that I want to let you in on is something called Campnab. Campnab is basically a website that allows you to set up scans at parks throughout Canada and the United States for specific dates that you want to go camping. And what it does is it basically scans searches for you to see if there's any availability. So if somebody happens to cancel, which happens super frequently, the scan is gonna pick up a cancellation and then notify you that there's an opening at the park of your choice on the dates that you're looking for. So this has actually been something that's super handy. We've been using it for quite a while now, and we have scans that go into, the next few months for campgrounds that we were not able to book. But because we're using Campnab, we're keeping our fingers crossed that somebody's going to cancel and we'll be able to snag those sites up. Now, enough of me talking. I'm gonna actually take you along to see all of the details on how Campnab actually works.
So how exactly does Campnab work? It's really done in 3 easy steps. You start by creating a scan, you wait for an alert, and once you're alerted, you hop online and book that campsite. Campnab is available for campgrounds in Canada and the United States and is split out by province or state. When you click into a province or state, you can see the different campgrounds that are available based on popular ones, on a map, or in a list view. Lots of great ways to discover all of the different parks that are available for searches and scans on Campnab. All right, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to actually get your scans set up. Once you have an account with Campnab, you're gonna be able to set up different scans depending on the subscription level you have. To set up a brand new scan, you just go to create a new scan and you start by putting in the park that you want to create a scan for. Here we're searching for Algonquin, and specifically we're looking at the Canis Bay Lake Campground. Once you choose your park, it's gonna ask you which campgrounds you're interested in, if that park has additional split out campgrounds. From there, you can apply additional filtering options. Now, these options are going to be different depending on what parks you're looking at. I know for Ontario parks, you're gonna have different camping equipment filters. So are you looking to tent camp? Are you looking to RV camp? What kind of site type are you looking for? And do you need an ADA site or not? Your next step is to pick your arrival date. On your arrival date, you also have the ability to turn on having a flexible arrival date. This will obviously give you better options on if cancellations are happening. And your last step is to set the number of nights you're looking to stay at that campsite. Once you've got your scan features all set up, you're gonna add your scan, and that's really all there is to it. What's gonna happen now is that scan is going to continuously run, and if a cancellation comes up for the dates and the park that you set your scan up for, you're gonna start getting notifications of those cancellations. Now, Campnab doesn't actually book the spot for you. It is just scanning and notifying you when availability pops up. You have to actually physically go online through the park website and book the reservation yourself. So that's a really important thing to note. You also have the ability to modify any existing scans to pause them or to delete them. You can see here I have 3 active scans and I have 1 paused scan. Now, in terms of the notifications, when you set up your Campnab account, you put in your mobile device number or your telephone number, and so these notifications are going to be sent to you through text messaging, and they're going to look something like this.
So let's talk pricing. Campnab has 2 options when it comes to pricing. You can either do a pay-per-use pricing model where you just have 1 scan for 1 set of dates and you just pay for that particular scan, or they have subscription options. With your subscription options, you can either pay monthly or yearly. If you pay it out yearly, you get a bit of a discount, which is nice. And they also have different tiers within their subscription model. Everything from $10 a month up to $30 or $40 a month, depending on what you're looking for. Now, the difference between the tiers is the amount of scans that you're allowed to set up and how frequently Campnab will actually scan the different campgrounds and scans that you have set up for you. So depending on how much of a camper you are, the different plans are definitely suited for different levels of camping. If you camp, just a few times a year, or maybe like throughout the summer, one of the lighter plans might be best for you. If you're an avid camper and you camp year-round all the time, one of the bigger plans might be better for you. But the great thing is that there is a lot of option when it comes to their subscription plans. Well guys, now you know our best kept secret on how we're snagging campsites at sold out parks. If this is something you're interested in, we do have an affiliate link. This just helps us out a little bit if you sign up through our affiliate link. We've included it in the description below, so please check it out if Campnab is something you're interested in signing up for. That's it for today. We hope you guys get out there, get camping, and enjoy the great outdoors. Tia and Andy, out.